Hello, my name is Jerica Castellanos. This is evidence 6, step 2 export. Export process. The export process is the set of steps to complete in order to sell a product outside the borders of the country in which it is produced. Step to follow to export goods. Registration and as an exporter. You can process the single tax registration route at any DIAN office or supercade every day. Location of the tariff position. We can locate the tariff subtitle of your product through the customs duty or in the information center of your city, today for 7 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon. Approval procedures. Consult the DIAN if your product requires prior permits for export authorization after process time. You must submit the application for shipping authorization to the DIAN computer system. International trading terms incoterms. Prior to any customs procedure, import and or export, it is necessary to conclude a contract or agreement of sale with the customers that specifies the terms and conditions, both for the seller and for the buyer, which stipulate costs, delivery points, documentation and risks involved in the physical distribution of the goods. Certificate of origin. The certificate of origin is an application that allows obtaining the documentary proof of origin by means of which it is accredited that the products were made in Colombia. Means of payment. They are different means of international payment, bank transference, letters of credit, guaranteed letters, standby guarantees. Exchange procedures of currency withdrawal. It must repay the currencies through the intermediaries of the foreign exchange market such as commercial banks and other financial institutions. Thank you.